What is up, my guys?
So, today, my name is, humblecorn. You should probably David Humblecorn. So basically, my dad, Philip Humblecorn, got this new little thing in his backyard. He said it's for the fireworks, alright? So, I'm not allowed to, fiddle-with-it or anything until, like, New Year's Eve. And, I mean, how could I possibly screw this up? Here, look. Here, look how to see this. Not a scratch. You see that? Like, not a singular scratch. However, this side, oh, no, you can't go. How do I aim this thing? Oh my god, okay, well, be right back. Okay, this is the toilet. We're talking, I got out of nowhere. See, not a singular scratch. Seriously. How could I possibly do that? Look at that, it's still pretty good. I made a severe and continuous lapse in my judgment, and I mean, how could I possibly mess it up the second time? I mean, how? He's not gonna know. I mean, I found one on like the ground, again in like a dumpster, so like I could just like feel it again. So now it's like it's never got exploded. I don't think anything happened between you and you saw nothing. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So, to prevent that from happening again, why not just tilt it up away from here, you know? Like, how about